I'm going to draw a little concrete structure. I'm going to use an arc to start with. So I'm going to start at this point here. I've just placed these loci here to make it easy for me, so I can get the right size. But you can also change the size on your object info palette. I'm going to convert that to a NURBS. And then I'm going to duplicate it to create 3 of them. It's my first one, using my rotate tool, and another one here. So I've got 3 of these now, and they all come together in touch. If I select them all, I can convert those into a NURBS surface. So there's my surface. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker by using one of my 3D tools. It's the Shell Solid tool. And so now it's got a thickness to it. It's like a structure, which is pretty cool. If I render that, we should see that we've got a real structure to it. I'm going to add a texture as well, so that when I render this, it actually looks like it's got concrete. Now that's pretty cool. But I can do more, because if I mirror it from that corner to there, and from that corner to there, and if I select all those other ones, so from that corner to there, mirror those. So there we are. Now let's take a look at a view. I've got a camera over here, so I can activate the camera view. And there's my object. If I render that, we can see the texture and we can see the lighting on my object. And there's my structure with a background and with my trees and the grass. That's pretty quick. If I use camera match, I can take my concrete objects, I can put them in the scene, I can actually see how they look in relation to the building that I'm putting them next to. In fact, this is pretty good. You could actually give this to the client and say, this is what it's going to be like.